Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Zapier with Facebook leads. First, open your browser and go to zapier.com. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for one. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Zapier homepage. Now go to the top right corner and click on the Explore button. This will take you to a page where you can see all the apps that Zapier works with. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in Facebook leads. You'll see a list of options like Facebook lead ads. Click on the option that matches what you need. After clicking, you'll be taken to a page where you can set up an integration between Facebook leads and other apps. Choose the app that you want to connect with Facebook leads and click on it. Now, follow the prompts to connect your Facebook account and select the specific Facebook page where your leads are coming from. You'll then be able to choose what you want to do with the leads, such as sending them to a Google Sheet, CRM, or any other app Zapier supports. Once you've set everything up, click Create to complete the zap. Zapier will now automatically handle your leads according to the instructions you've set. And that's it. You've successfully connected Zapier with Facebook leads. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.